For those who have already subscribed to my channel, you have my gratitude, and those who have not yet subscribed, do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of my new videos. Topic of today's video is different sizes and types of handwriting. To know what's the accurate size of handwriting, stay tuned till the end. Firstly, let's see traits of writer having big handwriting. 1. They are socially active. 2. They love adventures, parties, food, travel, friends. 3. Their people skills are good. 4. They are good in executions, operations, handling people. 5. Can't concentrate. 6. IQ is bit low. Now let's see personality traits of people having small handwriting. 1. These people are into thinking, planning, strategies, analytics, research with numbers and more. 2. They will be introverts, generally socially not confident. They are good at observation. Fault finding is good. 3. Hobbies would be reading or anything related to good concentration. 4. Maybe having less friends and isolated in childhood. 5. Maybe having some kind of complex. Let's see traits of very big handwriting with graphology. As graphology says, exaggeration of anything nullifies that law. Same goes here. So if a writer has very big handwriting, that shows overconfidence, which means he actually is not confident but just trying to fake it. Now let's see about broad, stretched handwriting. Writers who has such handwriting are relaxed and lazy people. These people doesn't do much physical activity, very casual approach. High chances of such people having health issues. Next type is tall and compressed ones. These type of writers are hyper, uneasy, uncomfortable, restless, claustrophobic and suffocated. They can't sit idle, can't meditate, can't chill, don't know how to relax.
Now let's see how to identify if handwriting are stretched or compressed, or neither of them. Draw a box around alphabets. A, O, O, U, and if box looks like square, it's neither stretched nor compressed. If it looks like portrait mode rectangle, it's tall and compressed. If it looks like landscape mode rectangle, it's stretched handwriting. Image here explains stretched and compressed handwriting. Now let me tell you what is ideal size of handwriting. Ideal size of handwriting is when the radius of O is 2.5 mm. Anything below that is small and anything more than that is big. Generally, one small handwriting and one big handwriting makes a good team. If you like my videos, then do give thumbs up to my videos. Share my videos with people around you to spread a knowledge about graphology so that can help make someone's life better. Do comment in comments section topics on which you would like me to make videos on. To get done detailed analysis, contact me on avaniparekh1985@gmail.com.